Hello, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 Pro Max. In this video I'll show you how to manage Apple Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. Thanks to Apple Wallet, you can add your boarding passes and tickets to one account. Add apps to your Apple Wallet, thanks to which you can use them more quickly. Also, you can scan codes of your cards or apps to add them to your Apple Wallet. If you want to add payment cards, you can tap plus and then you can check your orders. Next you can go to settings, go to Apple ID and payment and shipping to manage your payments methods. Like Apple Pay, credit debit card, Blick and mobile phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.